going to grab our two zippers and shorten to 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches long. Make sure your zipper pulls on the piece that you're not cutting off. Okay, so we'll just pop over to the machine and baste the ends together 6 millimeters or 1/4 inch from each end. Grabbing your zipper pocket B lining pieces, we're just going to fold in half to find the center. And I'm going to draw a line down there so it's clearly visible. Just makes it easier to draw the window. So we're going to make a mark 12 centimeters or 4 3/4 inch down. I'm going to draw a line. So we're going to draw a box, a window box, which is 17 centimeters wide or 6 3/4 inch. One centimeters or 3/8 inch deep. Now we'll grab one of the zipper pocket B outer pieces. We're going to center that onto there. Matching the side raw edges. Centered top to bottom. And pin. Okay, now we'll do the same for the second piece. Okay, so now we're going to go to the sewing machine and stitch both zipper pocket windows. Okay, so now we're going to stitch around our pocket window, reducing my stitch back length back to 2.4. Do the same for the second pocket window. Okay, so now we're going to cut a hole in the center of our zipper pocket windows, just like we did last time. Okay, so now we're going to turn them through. We're going to do some pressing. Now on the wrong side of your zipper pocket windows, put some double-sided sticky tape on each side. Grab your two zippers, lay them on your table, right side up, with your pulls coming from opposite directions. Because we want them opening from different directions. So center that over your zipper. When you're happy with the way you've got those centered, we're going to go over to the machine and stitch around those boxes. Okay, we're going to swap to the zipper foot. Moving my needle across, lengthening my stitch to top stitch length of 3.1. And stitching approximately 3 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch, maybe just slightly less. Now we're going to pin the top and bottom of our exterior pieces together and the top and bottom of our lining pieces. So we'll just grab those two exterior pieces. So as you can see, that's the lining and this is the exteriors. Now we've got the two lining pieces. Just going to pin those two together. Like that. I'll put that over there for the moment while we do this one. Two exterior pieces together. That's your lining there. Pin the two lining pieces together. Lining up those raw edges. Now we're going to go over to the machine and stitch those two seams.